When we have known data and we want to graph it or find out a relationship between the data and possible predictions, we can use linear regression analysis to do so. There are two ways that we can do it. We can do it via formulation, where we have these formulas, and we can also do it by graphing. Let's start out with formulas. We can fill in our data in yellow, and then it's automatically calculated for us. So this first column, E, is x to the second power. F is x times y, and column G is y squared. These are the sum of all these values, and here is the formula that calculates B. Very important that we make sure that we put the correct amount of years here. If we have the wrong amount of years, see, the value changes because of n over here in the equation. So you will get the wrong answer, so it is important to make sure you do so. For m, the slope of the line, here is the equation for that calculation. To make the formula in Excel a little bit easier, I broke it out into the numerator and the denominator. So this is the numerator and the denominator for B, and here is the numerator and the denominator for M. Here is the equation. Y equals M times X plus B. That will be our forecast for Y. So what does this mean to us? If we have a value X, just say we want to know at what point we have X, what will it be? What will Y be when I have X? Just say I have $20. When it's 20, what will Y be? Y will be 59. Coefficient of correlation. The other way we can solve for this is to graph it. The coefficient of correlation is R2, and that explains how close each data point is to the trend line. The higher the percentage, the better off it is. That means that you have your data is very closely correlated, and it's good data. If we had a point all the way out here, it probably wouldn't really mean that much to us, because it's not relevant to the rest of the points. So let's see what this point is. Here we go. This point is 75 and 103. So the reason we need this little chart over here, because this fills in this formula. So we could find out exactly on the trend line where that data point is. So I already filled in 75, so we can see that that is correct. Before it was 73. Sorry, sometimes it's not cooperative. No, anyway, we saw it before. That was 75 and 103. So at this point, this is pretty close. There we go, 43 and 82. So if we just put in 43 up here, it's pretty close. This is not, so you can see that it's not exactly, but so at 43, it would be about 82. So that would be the calculation for this trend line. Since we don't have a data point, it won't show up exactly.